Um, our today topic is related to the research topics types. Sorry, we had discussed earlier in earlier lecture, applied research. Today we will discuss about the evaluation research because it is the subtype of the applied research. By definition, evaluation research, it is the a type of applied research in which we do a rigorous and a systematic inquiry in order to find out, evaluate, and assess the effectiveness of a program, process, practice, or any activity in order to in order to make best decision. There are so many definitions and different research methodology written by different authors and researchers, but here to my opinion, in simple words, it is a systematic inquiry or assessment or a judgment regarding the worth, importance, and effectiveness of any particular phenomena. We do evaluation research in every discipline like education, psychology, in legal study, in criminal context, in business setting, and even political setting, or even in economic setting. These are the three examples like education evaluation research. And education evaluation research, we do or we assess the particular teaching methodology or a particular program, either this program is feasible, effective or not. Likewise, we do in psychological evaluation research. And psychological evaluation research, we evaluate and assess the effectiveness and worth or importance of a particular counseling technique or a program or any other method in order to assess and evaluate its outcome, which are helpful and decision making or empowerment. The third one is business evaluation research. In business setting, we also do evaluation research for the sake of that a particular idea or a particular method or a particular technique is either feasible, effective or not. We see the worth and importance or the effectiveness of that particular issue problem. The last thing is the scope and focus of evaluation research, or why we do evaluation research regarding of so many other research types are designed. The main focus of evaluation research is to enable the researcher or the person or the stakeholder to empower him in decision making, either this decision is feasible in the right time or not, or this decision is helpful in policy making, and so many other things. The second thing is effectiveness. We check and assess the effectiveness of a particular program, either the program is feasible, applicable or not, either the practice is feasible or not, either the method is feasible or not, or either this particular phenomena is feasible, important or worth mentioning or not. The third thing is worth and importance. We look forward for things like what we are doing. Let's suppose I am doing this online classes of social research and methodology. The importance or the worth of this is my goals is to enable the learner to my best efforts and knowledge is concerned to me. The third thing is judgment. We do judgment, or we make analysis regarding a particular phenomena or a particular thing or a particular program, process, practice, or any activity, that it is good or not, it is helpful or harmful, it will benefit or it have a zero or null impact. These are the factors, common factors, or these are the outcomes to the last one is on the basis of outcomes we do evaluation research, like for the sake of decision making, for the sake of to